In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Filmora screen recorder, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a plugin that will enable you to turn Filmora trial version into the pro version. So let's get started. So in order to get Filmora screen recorder, you need to head over to Google and type in Filmora screen recorder, and it's going to pop up something like this, and you just want to click on the first one, or you type in Filmora screen recorder. Next, you want to click on the first link you see, which is the official Filmora screen recorder, and click on that link, and it's going to take you to the official page of Filmora screen recorder. Here, once you're on this page, what you want to do is that you want to click on free download, and once you click on free download, it's going to download the file, then you install it, and then you have something like this. So once you have something like this, you quickly want to click on get started, and once you click on get started, as you can see right here, we have the screen. If you want to screen capture or you want to record your screen, you can set the custom size or full screen size. That means when you set this to full screen size, it's going to record the entire screen, and when you set this to custom size, then once you click capture, you need to select the size you want it to capture. If you want it to capture just a few frames or a few size, maybe half your system's screen, click on that. And if you want to say select a target window, you click on this and you select the target window. For instance, if I click on this, it's going to ask me to select in between the open tabs. As you can see, we have Notepad open, we have the file manager open, we have Chrome, and we have Camtasia recorder, and also the TextMate Camtasia. So you want to click on full screen, and you can leave this at 25 frames per second, and just click on that. But if you want to record a gameplay, you want to click on game right here, and now you want to choose a game from your system. As you can see, I have no games officially installed right now or officially open. So once I open the game, it's going to show up on this list, and I want to click on the name of the game. This is the name of the game. I just want to click on this, and that's it. So you want to click on that, and then once you have chosen the game you want to play, and you can set the frames per seconds right here, or the keyframe here. So next you want to click on this and make sure it's ticked. But now we have no games right here, so I'm just going to go back to screen. And for the audio part of this, you can see computer audio, you say capture computer audio. If you want this to record the sound from your computer, like if your computer makes a beep, you just want to click on capture right here, so it's going to record every sound on that beep. And if you have a microphone installed, you can select the microphone right here. Just click on this drop down menu, and as you can see, these are the microphones that are installed in this system right now. So I'm just going to select this one, and as you can see, that's it right there. And next thing you want to do is that you want to go to camera. If you want to use a webcam or so, next you want to choose the camera you want to use. I have two cameras installed, so I might choose any of these and click on OK, and I can choose the resolution for the camera. But for Filmora screen recorder, the highest resolution can be 1280 by 720. That's the highest resolution, so you can click on that to get clear video or clear camera footage, and you can select the 10 frames per second. And once you come to advanced, you can see the general right here. This is where you can actually change the download, or sorry, the recording folder. So you can click on this place right here, and it's going to open the folder, and you can actually select the folder you want your recordings to go to after you finish recording. So I'm just going to leave it this way and close this. And here you can see GPU acceleration. So if you click on this, it's going to export your recording faster than usual, and you can say auto hide control when recording. So the control keys you press when recording are going to show up, and some of the controls, like when you start recording, you see some controls like stop, play, pause right here. So if you click on this, it's going to auto hide the control keys when you are recording. Now on the next button here called the encode, it's going to show you something like this, and for me, I personally want you to choose the AVC/H264 encoder. So click on this one and select high to get clear recordings out of Filmora screen recorder. But if you don't like that option, you can go with the fast JPG, and then you can choose high, and that's it. But for the AVC/H264 encoder, you can see that the high version of this, 1 minute of the recording consumes around 50 MB of disk space, and if you go for the mid, it consumes around 25 MB, and for the low one, it consumes around 10 MB for 1 minute of the disk space. So that's up to you how many MB you have, or how many GB you have on your disk space. Then for the next one, under the fast JPG, as you can see, the high one covers 650 MB. That means when you use the fast JPG, it's going to give you crystal clear video recording out of your screen. So that's it. Now you want to click on the hotkeys, and here you can change the hotkeys of this. So you can just simply type the key you want to use. If I want to use the F10 button, I'm going to click on F10. If I want to use the F7 button, I'm going to click on F7, and it's going to show me that way. And that's how it is. If I click on the backspace, it's going to show me backspace. For the pause and resume hotkey, you can see it's set to F9, which is the default one. For the full recording, it's set to Shift F, and for the add marker, it's set to F8. So after doing all this, you just want to click on this and choose the one you want, and you can click on capture, and you will see the control panel opens up like this. And as you can see the red lines around this way. So once you click on the record button like this, it's going to start recording automatically, and it's going to show you this capture box right here, and it has started recording the screen right now. As you can see right down here, it's recording the screen, and it has gone to 5 seconds. So I'm just going to stop this, and I'm going to show you what the end product look like. So as you can see, it says loading editor. So it's going to load up the inbuilt video editor of Filmora screen, and it's going to show you your video you just recorded. And in that video editor, you can actually edit your footage, and this is where you can actually export your footage. As you can see right now, this is the file we just recorded, so we can just drag and drop it on the tracks here, and that's it. It's going to show up in the screen right here. Yeah, you can add other videos you like. Maybe you have other recordings, and you can add annotation like text and arrows and so on, and you can add mouse shift like cursor highlight and left click sound and all those kind of things like that. So yeah, you can change the volume of the recording, and you can reduce it right here. For the speed, you can change the duration right here by changing the speed this way. You can say 10%, and once you click on that, it's going to give you the crystal clear record you needed right there. So as you can see, this area here, you can change the speed. You can say 10%, you can say 100%. You can move it this way to increase it, and move it back to reduce it. So depending on the speed you are going to choose. So after doing all this in the Filmora screen recorder editor, you're going to click on export right here. And once you click on export, it's going to show you this project file right here. And in order to get the crystal clear recording that you needed, you want to make sure it is set to MP4 for the format, and you type in your project name right here, and you can choose the encoder. For me, I prefer you choosing H.264 as the encoder. And for the resolution, you can change the resolution to the highest one right there to get crystal clear audio and video. So you can click on the bitrate right here and change it to 15,000 KB per second. So, and for the encoder, you can choose AAC, as that's the only one on the list. For the channels, it's set to 2 because you have 2 audio channels, which is called a stereo. And for the sample rate, you can change this to 48,000 for crystal clear audio. For the bit rate, you can still change this to 320 kilobytes per second. Then you click on export, and it's going to export the video you just recorded. But if you want to directly upload your videos to YouTube without editing, you can click on the YouTube button right here, and it's going to show you all this. Here you can add the title of your video, you can add the descriptions of your video, you can add the tags of your video, you can add you can choose the quality you want, either 4K or 1920 by 1080, and you can choose the category you want right here. Once you are signed in, you can choose this category like how to and education and things like that. So you can say tags, you can add your tags right here, and you can make it public or private, anyone you choose. And if you want to upload directly to Vimeo, you just want to click on the Vimeo button right here, and it's the same thing with the YouTube one. Also on Facebook, you just want to add a description and the project, and it shows you that it is 6.14 MB, and the duration is around 1 second, as you can see right here. And you can also upload that to Twitch if you like. So once you click on all these, you just want to click on export right here. For YouTube, you want to click on export, and it's going to export yours directly to YouTube. But on this page, it's going to export it to a file. This is the file, and you can change the direction or the location of the file. You can change this to desktop or downloads, anyone you want. So I'm just going to close this, and that's all about the Filmora screen recorder. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said I'm going to give you a plugin that when you use it on Filmora, it's going to change the Filmora trial version into the pro version. That means on this screen right here, as you can see, this is the trial version. You downloaded the trial version, but if you want the pro version, you got to buy it. But the plugin I'm going to give you in this video is going to help you to get the pro version for free. So what you want to do is that you want to go to the link in the description of this video, you want to click on the link, and it's going to bring you to Google Drive this way. So what you want to do is that you want to click on download, and Google Drive is going to download the plugin, and I'm going to show you how to use the plugin. So as you can see, the plugin is downloading right here. So now what you want to do is that you want to click on this button here and say show in folder after it's finished downloading, and it's going to show you the file in the folder. As you can see, this is the plugin file. So you want to do what? You want to right click on this and say extract the plugin, and once you click on that, it's going to tell you for the password. The password for this file is called VEED. You just want to type that in the password range, and you want to click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to extract the file, and you can find the file right here. And what you want to do once you have the file is that you just want to copy this, and you want to go to your local PC right here, and you want to click on program files, and next you want to look for Wondershare right here and click on that, and next you want to open the Filmora scrn or the Filmora screen folder. Double click on that, and what you want to do is that you want to just right click here and say paste, and it's going to show you something like this: replace file in destination. And what you want to do is that you want to click replace file in destination. So it's going to copy that and paste it there. But for now, you can see that the action cannot be completed because I still have the Filmora screen editor open right here. So I'm just going to close this, and I say don't save, and I'm going to close the Filmora screen editor, and I'm going to try again. And as you can see, it has copied it directly into this folder. So once you click on this, there's a registry file for the Filmora screen recorder. So now you have the pro version for free. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and let me know in the comments if you have any problem with Filmora screen recorder, and I'm going to give you a video tutorial on how to easily fix that. And also that's how it goes. So thank you guys for watching, and on the screen right now you're going to see a video of how to get Premiere Pro. Click on that video and go watch how to get Premiere Pro for free.